Cleaning up the BP oil spill was a very, very, very expensive operation. It costed $61.6 billion to clean up the polluted water from the oil. They tried multiple methods. Some methods made the pollution worse. Some methods actually helped. They used 1.8 million gallons of chemical depressants. And that is a picture of the plane driving over the ocean, dropping those chemical depressants into the ocean. What these depressants would do, it would help the oil break up into tiny little droplets rather than being one thick layer. It kind of made them look like little beads on the surface. And that made it easier to be scooped up because the water wasn't trying to settle with the water, because oil and water, they don't mix together. It kind of just brought all the oil to the surface and made it easier for it to be skimmed off. Another method that they tried was fire. Oil and fuel is very, very flammable, and they would section off certain areas and try and burn the surface and just burn all of those oils and toxins and chemicals out of the ocean. Now, this worked in smaller areas. It did not take the biggest portion. Like when the oil spill happened, it spread all over. Where there were areas of less oil in a certain area, the fire would do better than covering the entire surface. There were also oil skimmers. There's a diagram down here of an oil skimmer. What this would do, it was like a big skimmer that would be on a boat, and the boat would just drive, and it would drag, and it would collect up all of that oil, and it would then be transferred to somewhere else and cleaned up properly.